Experiencing no Ethernet connection with your Rogers Ignite Internet while Wi-Fi works? First, understand Rogers Xfinity is a misnomer. Rogers uses Ignite. Focus on these key areas: physical connections, gateway reboot, and driver issues. Check physical connections. Ensure your Ethernet cable Cat5e or Cat6 recommended, Cat6 for gigabit speeds, is securely plugged into both your device and the Rogers Ignite gateway. Inspect the cable for damage. Try a different Ethernet port on the gateway. Try a gateway reboot. A simple power cycle often resolves temporary glitches. Unplug the gateway for 30 to 60 seconds, then plug it back in. Check driver issues. Ensure your computer's Ethernet adapter drivers are up to date. Check Device Manager, Windows, or System Information, macOS, for any errors. If this doesn't work, move on to the next section for advanced troubleshooting. If basic checks fail, access your gateway settings. Open a web browser and navigate to 192.168.0.1. Log in using the default credentials found on the sticker on your gateway. Next, verify DHCP settings. Ensure DHCP is enabled to automatically assign IP addresses to connected devices. Check for firmware updates. Outdated firmware can cause connectivity issues. Look for updates in gateway settings or via the Rogers app. Adjust IPv6, IPv4 settings. Toggling between IPv6 and IPv4 in gateway settings can resolve compatibility issues. If issues persist, contact Rogers support. Faulty cables or damaged gateway ports can cause drops, requiring professional diagnostics.